Hey everyone, the upcoming launch of Xiaomi's Pad 7 series, anticipated to be revealed alongside Xiaomi 15 smartphone lineup, has stirred excitement, especially after details about the high-end model were leaked. Here's a comprehensive look at what Pad 7 series could bring to the table. Based on leaks from credible sources like Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the Pad 7 Pro is expected to feature a sizable 11.16-inch LCD screen with a striking 3.2K resolution, most likely 2880 by 1800 pixels. While the screen remains LCD, similar to its predecessors, it incorporates full DC dimming. This is a notable improvement usually reserved for OLED displays, offering benefits like reduced flicker and less eye strain for users who spend extended time on their tablets. Xiaomi's choice of an all-metal integrated body also suggests a premium build quality that could appeal to design-conscious consumers. Powering the Pad 7 Pro will be the Snapdragon 8EE Gen 3 processor, a robust chipset that, while not Qualcomm's top tier, is well-equipped for handling demanding tasks and multitasking. This choice makes the Pad 7 Pro a capable device for productivity, gaming, and content consumption, without the high price tag associated with flagship processors. Adding to the performance edge is the expected inclusion of 67-watt fast charging, allowing users to quickly top up the rumored 10,000 milliamp-hour battery, which should provide ample battery life for extended use. In the camera department, Pad 7 Pro could come with a primary 50-megapixel sensor accompanied by a secondary depth sensor. While tablet cameras are often underpowered compared to smartphone cameras, Xiaomi's decision to use a high-resolution main sensor could improve the tablet's utility in scenarios like document scanning or capturing quick snapshots. For added security, the device is likely to feature a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which has become increasingly common on premium tablets. The Pad 7 series will reportedly run Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, likely enhancing system efficiency and providing a modern user experience. Notably, Xiaomi is leaning heavily into AI, with the Pad 7 Pro expected to support advanced AI and deep interconnection features. This could potentially mean smoother integration with other Xiaomi devices and smarter performance optimization, a growing trend across tablets and smartphones in 2024. On the connectivity side, users may see a USB Type-C 3.2 port for faster data transfers and possibly Wi-Fi 7 support, which is a significant upgrade for users relying on high-speed wireless connectivity. However, it's still unclear if cellular or 5G connectivity will be available, a feature some users may find essential for work or travel. Xiaomi's Pad 7 Pro seems to strike a balance between affordability and premium features, with a high-resolution screen, fast charging, a strong processor, and an improved camera sensor. If the rumored specs are accurate, the Pad 7 series could be a compelling option for users looking for a powerful, multitasking-friendly tablet without the high price tag associated with flagship models. The inclusion of AI features and HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, further suggests Xiaomi's commitment to creating a well-rounded device with future-proof capabilities. For consumers eyeing an advanced Android tablet, Xiaomi's Pad 7 series may well be worth considering as a versatile option for both productivity and entertainment. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.